Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best finish nailers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Finish Nailers. Nailers are one of the quintessential tools for woodworking projects, as you will have to use them for almost all your projects. But when it comes to finishing carpentry, the finish nailer always outperforms the many other types. Finish nailers are always the tool to go when building furniture, working on the deck or patio, and for general indoor and outdoor home improvement. Number 5. Numax SFN64 Pneumatic 16-Gauge Straight Finish Nailer. We manufacture tools with the most durable materials under strict quality control guidelines, suitable for professional contractors. Main features: lightweight and durable aluminum body, ergonomic comfort grip handle, long-lasting and high quality. Number 4. Porter Cable 20 volts Max Finish Nailer. The motor design provides consistent firing power into various materials: baseboard, crown moldings, cabinet assembly, and assorted climate conditions. Main features: fastener length capacity, multiple tool-free settings, 100% battery power. Number 3. Wen 61764 Gauge Pneumatic Straight Finish Nailer. The Wen 16-gauge pneumatic finish nailer is the perfect companion for crown molding, cabinets, wood furniture, baseboards, trim work, hardwood flooring. Main features: rubber gripped handle, depth adjustment wheel, multi-fire trigger. Number 2. Metabo HPT Finish Nailer 16-gauge Finish Nails. Selective actuation switch lets the user easily select bump fire or sequential fire modes. Only 3.7 pounds and well balanced for minimal fatigue and increased maneuverability. Main features: ideal for installing molding, depth adjustment, lightweight. Number 1. Freeman P4 FRFNCB Pneumatic Finish Nailer. The 34-degree angle of the magazine makes it easy to access corners or tight spaces, and the dual-mode trigger allows to easily switch between sequential or bump firing. Main features: durable materials, heavy-duty and fine detail, powerful combo. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.